Hello guys, what is up? In this video we are going to show you how to send money from Paymaya to ShopeePay. Now it's very easy. Of course you need to have a Paymaya account. As you can see, we are in the Paymaya app on our device, and say you want to send money from your wallet to your ShopeePay. Very easy. All you need to do is tap on, well, of course you need to have balance, right? We have over 200 bucks. What you need to do is tap on bank transfer like so. In under bank transfer, you're going to see a bunch of banks. So you just need to scroll down until you hit letter S, because this is alphabetical. As you can see here, we are now in S, and as you can see, it is the second option. Under the Security Bank Corporation is the first one. ShopeePay, as you can see, is the second option. So just tap on ShopeePay like this. Enter the amount, right? For example, like 100. Purpose, say, transfer or something, right? And account details, you enter the number, enter the account number name, and then you just click continue, and then you're going to be prompted if you do want to confirm your transfer. And yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you transfer money from Maya to ShopeePay. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.